Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Shraddha's Physics. In this part we will see some MCQs on the special functions like Legendre, Hermite, Bessel. Okay. So let us see the first question. The cos x will be, that is this j, basically we represent for this the Bessel, that is for the Bessel polynomial, that is your jn of x. Okay. So here the question is the cos x can be represented in terms of the Bessel function. So this is equal to, so if I will directly say the answer, so here the answer will be z0 of x minus twice j2 of x plus 2 j4 of x and so on. Okay, because you can represent this jn of x polynomial, that is equal to sum over r equal to 0 to infinite minus 1 power r divided by r factorial into n plus r whole factorial into x by 2 power n plus 2r. Okay, this is the basic representation of the Bessel's function. So here you can write the cos x can be represented as z0 of x minus 2 z2 of x plus 2 j4 of x. Now the next question is the polynomial 2x square plus x plus 3 in terms of the Legendre polynomial, how we can represent. So in this question, that is the polynomial 2x square plus x plus 3, for that you have to first remember that the Legendre polynomial, that is Pn equal to 1 by 2 power n into n factorial, the nth derivative of x square minus 1 power n, it can be written as P0 of x equal to 1, P1 of x equal to, P1 equal to your x, P2 equal to 1 by 2, 3x square minus 1 and so on. So basically it is in this option P0, P1, P2 representations are given. So by using all this P0, P1, P2, I will replace this 2x square plus x plus 3 term. So let us write this 2x square plus x plus 3. It is in our question. So from this P2 expression I can calculate x square value. So that implies from this expression we can write 2P2 equal to 3x square minus 1, or this is simply 2P2 plus 1 divided by 3, that is equal to x square. So this is the value of x square. So now I can write in place of the 2x square, I can write this will be 2 into 2P2 plus 1 divided by 3. Okay, I can write like this, plus x means this is your P1. So this is P1 plus this 3 can be written as 3 into 1. So simply this will be 3 into P0 of x, that is P0, let me write. Okay. If I will solve this expression, then this will be equal to, if I will take common, 1 by 3, because in all this expression 1 by 3 is taken common. So let me take 1 by 3 common. So this will be 2 into 2P2. So that will be 4P2 plus 2 into 1, that will be 2, plus if I will take common from this P1, that is 1 by 3. So then I have to write this will be 3 into P1, because 3 get cancelled, that will be P1, plus here if I will take common 1 by 3, then this will be simply 3 into 3, that will be 9 P0. Okay. Now also in this place, that is 2, that can be written as 2 into 1. So if I will multiply 2 into 1, this will be 2 P0, I can write this is 2 into 1, that is 2 into P0. Since the value of P0 is your 1, so simply I can write this will be 2 into P0, that is in this place 1, I can write P0. So now if I will add this all, this will be 1 by 3. I have to write from the P2 to P2, P1, then P0. Okay. So if I will arrange in that order, then this will be, first of all I will write 4P2, this is your 3P1, and this is 9P0 plus 2P0, that will be plus 11P0. Okay. So this is our answer. So you can check from this option. So this will be 1 by 3, 4P2 plus 3P1 plus 11P0. Okay. So this is our correct answer. So simply you have to just remember the value of P0 of x, P1x as well as P2 of x. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see the next question, that is let Pn of x be the Legendre polynomial, then Pn prime of minus x is equal to, that is the first order derivative of the polynomial Pn prime of minus x. So its value will be equal to minus 1 power n plus 1 Pn prime of x. Okay, this is the direct relation. You can remember Pn prime of minus x will be equal to minus 1 power n plus 1 Pn prime of x. Then the next question is, if Pnx is the legendary polynomial of the order n, then 3x square plus 3x plus 1 can be expressed there. This is the same. Okay, now if I write, you know, P naught of x equal to P naught equal to 1, P1 equal to x, and the value of P2 equal to 1 by 2 whole into 3x square minus 1. These are your legendary polynomial, and you have to express 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now from this expression I can write, from this one P2 I can write 2P2 equal to, if I multiply this 2P2, that will be 3x square minus 1, or that implies we can write this 3x square will be equal to 2P2, this minus 1 taking to the left hand side, this will be plus 1. So in place of 3x square I can write this is simply 2P2 plus 1. Okay, plus 1 means here you can see the value of P naught is 1. So in place of 1 simply I can write this is equal to 2P2 plus P naught I can write. Okay, this value is your P naught. Now this will be plus 3x. So this will be 3 into x. This will be 3 into x means this is your P1. So 3 into P1 plus 1 means this is your P naught again. Now if I will just add all this term, then I will get this is equal to 2P2 plus this will be 3P1, P naught plus P naught, that will be 2P naught. So the final expression will be, you can see here 2P2 plus 3P1 plus 2P naught. So this is our correct answer. Okay. Now the next question is, if we will integrate from minus 1 to plus 1, Pn of dx equal to 2, then n is how much? So you suppose you will write, this is suppose Pnx, let me just erase this part. Then the next question is, the value of integration from minus 1 to plus 1, 2x plus 1, P3 of x into dx. So you have to calculate this integration. So you know the value of P3 of x, that is equal to 1 by 2 hype x cube minus 3x. Okay, if we will substitute this value here, so this will be simply that is equal to 1 by 2 taken common. So this integration value I am written here. So this is minus 1 to plus 1. This will be your 2x plus 1 into, I have to multiply 5x cube minus 3x whole into your dx. Okay, so after calculating, so this is just normal integration, you can calculate. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 2x into 5x cube, that will be 10 x power 4 minus this will be 2 into 3, that will be 6x square plus 1 into 5x cube minus 3x. You have to take total integration of this from minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, with respect to dx. Now if I will calculate this one, this is equal to 1 by 2 into the integration of this x power 4, this will be x power 5 divided by 5 minus 6x square. So it will be 6 into x cube by 3. Similarly plus 5 into x power 4 by 4 minus 3 into x square by 2. Okay. So now if you just multiply, this is your 3, so this will be 2, and you have to just put the limit, that is from minus 1 to plus 1. So after calculation you will get the answer will be equal to 0. Okay. So here the answer will be equal to 0. Since this is the just normal integration, I hope you can substitute the value simply from first you have to put the upper limit, then you have to minus from the lower limit, you have to subtract. Now the next question is, the legendary polynomial Pn of x has n real zeros between 0 and 1, or n zeros of which only 1 is between minus 1 and 1, or 2n minus 1 real zeros between minus 1 and 1, or none of this. So here the legendary polynomial has n real zeros between 0 and 1. Then the next question is, the incorrect equation among the following equation is. So you have to check which one of this following option is incorrect? So first of all, p naught of x is 1, so this is correct. p1 of x is x, so this is correct. pn of minus x equal to minus 1 power, so it is given minus 1 power n plus 1, but here this will be minus 1 power n pn of x, so this is your incorrect. And here this is your the Legendre equation, so this is our answer. Okay, then the next question is j3 of x can be written in terms of j0 of x as, so you can calculate. So the answer will be 8x power minus 2 minus 1 whole into j1 minus 4x power minus 1 into j0. Okay, then the next question is, this is your jn of x means the Bessel equation, Bessel polynomial. Then the next question is jn prime of x, it can be written as, so here it can be written as equal to minus j1 of x. Okay, then the next question is j half of x can be written as, so here j half of x I have already told you, so this is your 2 by pi x root over into sin x. And also I have told you j minus half of x, this is equal to 2 by pi x root over into cos x. Okay, this is for j half x, 2 by pi x root over sin x, and for j minus half x this will be 2 by pi x root over cos x. So this is all for today. Thank you all.